Hey guys, Paul here. Hey, I'm asking several of you. I got like 4 of you guys in Algebra 2, and I noticed when I was going through, I was looking at where you're at and what you're kind of struggling with, and you're all working that polynomial, monomial, all those different that same area, and you're all struggling with it. So it's not like you're unique and or weak in any way. It's just that we're all struggling with it. All of you guys are in Plato too, I think. And I went through the lesson. I tried, have a student, Jasmine. Yesterday I went through the lesson with her. We tried going through in Plato, and I admit I was confused. We ended up going through IXL, and we had some success. So I thought if we could come together and Zoom, and we're going to try to do a Zoom on Friday at 1 o'clock. I'd like for you to be there. Zoom, as we can get through using IXL. I think it'd be a great tool, and I think it's something we could do. And we'll try to make this a regular thing. And like I said, if you want to work in it, that's awesome. If not, then you can still go through the core. That's okay. This is IXL. I'm going to show you how to get there. Normally, the normal way to get there. Okay, let me just kind of show you. I want to show you because I want to make sure one of my students doesn't have a Google Chromebook. On the Google Chromebook, it's a lot easier. Here, it's a little bit more difficult. Okay, when you're going there, and you'll see, usually it's the first letter of your first name. So if your name's like Bert, it'd be a B. When anything's there, you see my lovely picture. Okay, just make sure it's the Epic Charter Schools account. That's going to help you out. Now, you can come over here, and this is one way to get to everything. All the links over here are active. Okay, meaning that they work. You'll find that like when we try to log into Clever, okay, there's the IXL link. You can come over here and click on that. That's one easy way to get there. Okay, you can also go through Clever. When you go through Clever, okay, just be aware that there are different types of Clever. Okay, there's Clevers for a lot of different schools, and you want to make sure when you log in, it says Epic Charter Schools Clever Login. Okay, now if you're in your Google account, you can go there. It's still possible to get there. Okay, then we go upper grades. You guys are upper grades. You scroll down, and there we go. There's the link. Okay, but it's also when we go down through and we click on IXL, we just click right there, and it's going to take you to the same spot. Okay, now the password should be lowercase EPIC1234. If that doesn't work, try the uppercase. Okay, like I said, at 5 o'clock we'll do this. I'll give you the Zoom. The Zoom password is my phone number. Okay, 918-507-2084. If you need that, I'll just let me know. Okay, we can get it to you. But where you're going to go is you're going to come over here and you're going to look at math. Okay, and okay, right now we got to go through learning. Okay, you're looking at the teacher views. It's going to be a little bit different than what you'll see. There's math. Okay, and if you scroll down, you see that we have the lovely Algebra 2. So here we're going to click on the all session. Here's that sessions on polynomial. Okay, one thing that I worked through Jasmine with is we worked just through the vocabulary, and that's something that when I was going in and trying to explain it the first time we were going through the lesson, they were throwing some words at us that I just didn't quite understand. And the way this works is it works pretty simple. Okay, is you're just going to come in here and you're going to do, okay, there's the terms. Find the number of terms in the polynomial. Okay, I don't know what terms is. I'm going to guess 2. Okay, that's a wrong answer. And what I like about it is it does a pretty decent job of explaining it. Okay, terms are expressions or numbers that are added. Okay, so when I'm looking at this, I'm seeing that there's, in the question, there's 1, 2, 3 terms. Okay, so you want to find out how many terms the polynomial has. There are 3 terms, and that's what it explains. Got it? It's going to let me go through. So let's look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see if we put down 4. Oh, that one's incorrect too. Okay, and it's going to explain. So you're learning from your mistakes in here. Okay, now over here it didn't affect anything. Questions answered too. The degree of a term is the exponent on its variable. To find the degrees of a polynomial, find the term. So we're looking for the degree, and the degree is actually, okay, it says the first term has a degree of negative n to the 10th. This is the degree up here. Since it has an exponent of 10, it has a degree of 10. The second term is 6n to 4th. Since the exponent of 4 is a degree of 4. So there's 10 and 4. N squared, 2. Okay, so the fourth term, n can be written as n1 since it has an exponent of 1. And that was one thing that kind of threw me off when we were first going through. So we add those up. Next, find the highest degree. The highest degree is the degree of 10. As we look at the question, the highest degree is the degree of 10. So our largest number. Got it. Okay. Find the degree of polynomial. We're going to get 3. And I got that one right. And it gave me 10 points. Okay. Now, I'm going to guess 4 on this one. Okay, because that's the degree. And notice as I messed up, it kind of got a little easier. That also helps. Okay, we're going to try this one, R9. Put in 9. Okay, good work. Looking for highest degree, 10.7b. I'm going to go with 10. And I'm kind of getting through it, which is really cool. And my score over here keeps adding up. Okay, so I'm going to look at this, and I'm going to put down 1. Okay, I see a 2. 2 is a larger number than 1, but I'm going to put down 1 and see what it gets. It's incorrect. Notice my score over there dropped. Okay, what you want to get is you want to get a score of 80. I think it's when you get to like 70 or 75, you'll see a little blue ribbon over here. You want to earn a blue ribbon. It comes at 80. So when you get it to 80, you get a little blue ribbon. That shows up in the principal's report. That lets her know that, hey, this student is working in Algebra 2. Okay, it shows up on her little report. And that's a good thing. Okay, if we're working in here and she's seen those little blue ribbons click off and she's not seeing any progress in her core, that's fine. She just knows you're working in Algebra 2. Okay, so find the number of terms in the polynomial. Now we're looking for terms. Terms is different than degrees. We answered 1. That was wrong. Okay, correct answer is 2. Got it. Let's see if we got this. Find the number of terms. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to guess 3. And we got it. Anyway, I'm going to text you. And what I'd like for you to do, okay, as we said, this should be on me. We're going to go back to the math. Okay, we're going to go back to here. And I'm clicking on the Algebra 2. Okay, so what I'd like for you to do, if at all possible, is just get through, just do one of these a day. Okay, get through 5 of these. I think that's what I told, Jasmine. Okay, if you look at these are the entire year's quotients. Okay, actually, you know what? 2 a day I don't think would be a very terrible goal. Okay, but just 1 a day minimum. If we get through there, we're at a place where we can work and get there. I'll put it up. I can also coincide this when we meet on Friday. I'll show you guys Google Classroom. That's where I can communicate with you. Like I said, I think this will be something that you guys can use. Algebra 2 on your own. If you don't have that background, you don't have the vocab, incredibly tough. Anyway, I'll let you guys go. Have a great day. And I really, really, really hope to see you Friday. Adios, guys. Bye.